So we've got a custom comfort mini split AC unit, and we want to make it Wi-Fi compatible, which is an option that comes with it. And there's a couple of things that have to be done. One, you have to download the app on they give you a code to scan for either Apple or the Android phones, for those that still run Androids. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to install this. So first of all, the unit's been turned off. You want to just open up the front compartment, and there's a little latch that holds it up for you. So now there is one screw right here. You have to just back it out, take that down, set it aside, and then this unit slides to the left. There's directions on it which way to slide it. And right in here you'll see where this USB little device plugs in. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide that in there. If I get it in the right direction the first time, I'm not sure. Maybe, maybe, maybe not.
You've got your glasses on.
You know what? We're going to do this. We're going to pull this plug out if I can get it to come out. Might be easier. Yeah, there we go. Now you just insert that in. Oh, look at that.
We're connected.
Coming alive. So now we put this back up. Watch your wires. Reinsert the screw. Check wires, nothing's pinched. There's a little lever here, you just push that up. And you can drop this back down. Give it a little push, click it.
All right.
Oh, I almost forgot the most important thing. Just kidding. There is a what do they call these? A barcode
Code.
or USB?
QR code.
UR code. They want you to QR code. They want you to stick this somewhere.
That may be under there.
I was gonna go right here,
Okay.
but and make sure you get it crooked like I did. But there you go. Close it, and you should be done. And if you've downloaded the app, we're going to try to make these things connect. Alrighty.